Hi, welcome to Judas Bar. Today we're gonna mix a summery bittersweet peach cocktail. So this cocktail started out because I wanted to recreate my cocktail Disciples of the Peach to shoot a short form video for it. The problem is, being in Italy at the moment I didn't have exactly the same ingredients. I tried to substitute the Cocchi Americano and the Aperitivo Bianco by Luxardo with other ingredients and everything went wrong. I couldn't get the recipe to work at all. So I went around until I made a completely different cocktail, which I'm gonna present to you today. So let's get down to mixing. So let's start with some fresh peaches, which I have here already peeled. I just added a tiny bit of lemon, but it's not about the flavor, just to keep them from getting too brown. And I'm gonna measure the weight because it's hard for me to tell you otherwise how much peach to use. I will say this much, about 60 grams. And then let's just go ahead and muddle our peaches in the bottom of our shaker. As you might know, I love so much fresh peaches flavor, but I hate peach liqueur, so that's what we are doing, only fresh peaches in this cocktail. And then let's go on with our recipe. Let's start with 5 milliliters or a teaspoon of dry curaçao. Here in Italy I have this excellent Doragrossa. Then we're gonna proceed with increments of 5 milliliters. So next one is gonna be amaro, and we're gonna use 10 milliliters of amaro Lucano, which it's like amaro Verna. It's your standard generic amaro with hints of orange in it. Comes at 28% ABV. Then 15 milliliters of vermouth. I'm using the Carpano Storico di Torino, which is an amber vermouth. It's really nice. And so we're gonna have 15 milliliters of this. And finally, for our shaker, 20 milliliters or 2/3 of an ounce of dry gin. I'm using the Botanist. That's here in Italy I can find dirt cheap. It's insane. It's a great value. And that's about it for our shaker. Let me get some ice. And let's give this bad boy a shake. And let's fine strain in our chilled coupe. We are gonna need some spoon action for sure, because we have to work the peach pulp to extract all the juice and good flavor. And then let's top off with some prosecco, but more than top off really, just we are gonna put a splash of prosecco. Cause too much is gonna ruin everything. And there you go, another peach cocktail. I would like to call this the Peacher. Cheers. Delightful. This is nice. It's a pretty short cocktail, but being this short with this amount of peach makes it really nice. It is true that right now I might just finish it in 2 sips, but hey, I think it's perfect as a light aperitif, but if you want more, just make more. I think you should actually batch this and make, I don't know, 6 at a time or something. Man, drink it in 2 people. I think you can do it. The peach flavor is there. That was my main concern. Many other recipes I tried were killing the peach. This recipe keeps the peach spirit alive. It has some bitterness, brought mainly by the amaro, but overall I would say it's well balanced and pleasant. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, comment down below, share with me maybe you like and don't like. Shake yourself a peach cocktail. I love them. And hopefully I will see you next time. Cheers. I forgot to mention the picture comes from an Old Testament song, because last time I made Disciples of the Peach, which was named after Disciples of the Watch, which is a really good Testament song. This time I named the pitcher after the preacher, another great Testament song. And I bet you can guess what my next peach cocktail is gonna be called. Yeah, I'm gonna stick with Testament until the end of Peaches or Testament songs.